Karma Yoga, that is selfless action. Then Jnana Karma Sannyasa Yoga. Jnana Karma Sannyasa. It means three things. I am doing my action with knowledge. I am not doing anything blind. I have a purpose and I understand the purpose for which I am doing. I have a purpose and I am doing this job with a purpose. Have you understood that? And where is the Sannyasa Yoga comes? Detachment. Okay, I expect something from Jashmi, but she doesn't respond in this time. What do? Avoid. I detach. I don't have an attachment. I have attachment only during the learning process. If you are not learning from me, I don't care. A lot of people who comes and goes, we don't worry about it. We are only worried about who are coming. Understood? If somebody doesn't come, we are not worried about it. Somebody who is coming, we expect something from it. So you have an attachment. This doesn't mean that sannyasa doesn't mean I don't have attachment. We have attachment, but we will not attach too much so that we cannot detach them. Whenever we want, we can throw them away. Understood? So we have a closeness, but we also know how to leave them without. We can also forget them. Then Dhyana Yoga. The 6th chapter is Dhyana Yoga. So Jnanam, Karma,
Sannyasa.
and Sannyasa. Sannyasa means Vairagya. Sannyasis are Vairagyas. They don't want anything. So Vairagya. And Dhyana Yogam. In Dhyanam, here Dhyanam is meditation. Whenever you do action in meditation. Then you will never become tired. I keep saying this, right? Whenever you take class, you are not tired because you start doing it in a meditative style. You are driving, you will never feel tired while driving if you enjoy doing it. That enjoyment in doing job is what is called meditation. When you are cooking, if you don't know cooking, you start cooking, it becomes a pain for you. You enjoy cooking, so cooking is a meditation process. But so whatever action you do, today you enjoyed writing exam. Therefore, after exam you are not tired. Assume if it becomes a horrible job for you, after exam you will become totally exhausted. Right? So you retain your energy. Why? Because you enjoy it. That writing is really meditative. Your mind is not too much of tension. When your mind is too much vibrating, you will become tired fast. So will you be able to do this? Arjuna fought the war. How does Krishna says? Don't take too much of tension in fighting war. But you should let everybody die. Can you do it very casually? Do it. Possible. In a meditative style, how do you do it? That is what is Dhyana Yoga. So the first 6 chapters is closer to karma. Totally karma. Even meditation in karma, sannyasa yogam in karma, jnana karma sannyasa yogam in karma, karma yogam. So you have first chapter Arjuna Vishada Yogam, Sankhya Yogam, Karma Yogam, Jnana Karma Sannyasa Yogam, Sannyasa Yogam again separate, and then Dhyana Yoga, meditation. Okay? You cannot go to meditation if you don't have detachment. Now I may have a problem with any one of you, but if I start thinking about that problem while teaching, will I be able to have that style of teaching process? No. You may be bad to me. I must have got angry with you. But as soon as I come to the session, I will leave that. And I will start becoming very normal. Correct? That is what is detachment. That is what is sannyasa yoga means. You may have all these problems, Arjuna, but once you are here, what is your job? Fighting. Don't think about all the problems now. Understood? So whenever you have a karma to do, all the other processes which stops doing karma has to be broken. That is what is sannyasa yoga. And do it in meditative style so that you will enjoy doing it also. You understood the essence? So 6 chapters talks about it.